Udokotela uNdlozi uthi ngesikhathi benqatshelwa ukuthi bangene emathuneni for his memorial amalungelo abo agxotshwa ngezinyawo.
I felt fundamentally violated, denied not just my freedom or our freedom to movement or the freedom to access Memorial Park, but also the dignity to mourn. Somebody that we had a relationship with, somebody that despite having that relationship with, we had been on countless moments told that we may not be able to smoothly attend her funeral.
Udokotela uNdlozi uthi wayengeke enhlobo wazakwenza okwakushiwo uFentero ukuthi bangangeni emathuneni okwakuzobekwa kuwona umama uWinnie Madikizela Mandela.
I was not personally going to comply because all the rights that I had, not even a police officer at that instance had the right to interfere with our dignity, interfere with our right to mourn, but also interfere with our right to be there, take into consideration that we had been cleared.
Uthi ke leli iphoyisa elibonakala limisa abathile emfanekisweni wevideo ukuthi bangangena emathuneni lalingamisi yena nhlobo.
A hand that is up can be up for many reasons, Your Worship. A pointing would at least be a finger.
No.
That would be a pointing. So this gesture could be interpreted in many ways. I'm afraid I cannot speak for her. What was she doing with that hand? But it's pointed towards the right, and I happen to be on the right.
Icala Lihlehliselwe uMandulo. Ngingukhalvin Ndlozi. Izindaba ze SABC ngibika ngiseGoli.